Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you guys three websites that is going to pay you guys paper money just by completing simple tasks, simple surveys, simple researches, and as well watching videos. I'm going to be telling you guys three different websites that's going to pay you paper free money. So before I get into this video, I want you guys to do me two simple favors. Make sure you smash that like button real hard and don't forget to take action after watching this video. So that being said guys, the first website I'm going to be showing you guys is called pandaresearch.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can easily access this wonderful website. So complete paid surveys and market research for cash. So as you can see, earn money by successfully completing our paid surveys and offers. Learn how you can receive coupons, discounts, and giveaways with your participation in our offers and survey. So refer your friend and earn additional income. So you can also earn by referring someone. They have a referral program whereby you can earn some percentage of your referees program. So you can do it. It's more like a affiliate marketing. So earn additional income by reading emails. Maximum payout is 25 USD. So 25 USD is the maximum payout and get paid by the 1st and 15th every month. So they pay 2 times every month. So this is wonderful. They pay out 2 times every month and they pay through PayPal. So you can easily click on the join now icon, which I'll show you guys in this video how to quickly join now. And the wonderful thing about all these three websites I'm going to be telling you guys in this video is that you can do it in the comfort of your own mobile phone, just with your mobile phone. You don't necessarily need a laptop to do this. So I'll show you guys all this in this video. So first step is just to sign up, which is free. Second step is to complete offers. Third step is just to get paid through your PayPal. As you can see, they have many members and they have earned up to 2 million USD. So as you can see, testimonials, go through all these their testimonials and see how it works. They take surveys based on your demographic. So if you are in countries like Nigeria, Bangladesh, wherever you are, they work using your demographic, your location. So they will send you surveys related to your demographic. So once you complete these simple surveys, you can be able to get your earnings and they pay you through PayPal, as you can see. So sign up with them, cash payment, data privacy, support team, any device. So they accept any device. It doesn't matter if you're using iOS or if you're using Android. So any device you want, you can easily use to sign up this. So if you want to sign up, click on join now and it will load up another interface where you can put on your details and your email address for you. Let me just quickly put this email address. Then I select I'm not the robot and click on get started. So they will start sending me simple surveys which I can use. But first of all, I have to confirm my email address. It's just like a two-step verification. Okay, they're asking for a bicycle. I can't see any bicycle here, so let me skip this. So file this, just stay with me guys. I have a bonus tip to tell you guys by the end of this video on how to earn way more. So click on get started and it's verifying your email and it will send you an email that you have to confirm. So here you put your password, put your first name, last name, address, zip code, phone number, date of birth, and the rest, So just click on continue and it will register you and you start getting surveys. Completing those simple surveys, researches, and offers, you get paid. So this is a wonderful website. So for those of you guys that have been wondering how to make money online, this is the first one I will show you guys. I don't have time to start inputting all this. I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm trying to cut it short so you guys will understand. So after filling this, just click on continue and confirm your email address, and that's it. And like I keep saying, if you want to get paid way more, you have to use a strong VPN, change it to United States, and register with United States information using fake name generator. Let me quickly open it up. I think I will leave a link in the description box below so you can easily access this as well as all this wonderful website I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So this is the site, fake name generator. You can easily switch this to your United States and click on and change this to America, and then click on generate, and it will generate using their AI information about a United States person you can use to register on this while using a strong VPN. Just download a strong VPN on your phone or laptop, whichever the case may be, and switch it on and just click on generate. Shortly to generate a fake information whereby you can use it to fill those information that you need. So just click on it and it will load up. So this is the first step, the first website rather. So the second website I'll be telling you guys is called inboxdollars.com. The link will be on the description box below for your easy access. So they have 3 ways basically they used to pay you guys if you register with them. So the first step is watching videos, second step is taking surveys and offers or researches, and the third step is cashback. Once you make purchase online and you want to make your payment and use inbox dollar to make your payment, you get like 10% back of your purchase. So they have a sign up bonus of 5 USD. So even just by signing up, you have a bonus of 5 USD just by signing up. So this is wonderful. Yeah, you can get it just by watching videos and taking simple surveys. So as you can see, earn cash for your everyday online activities. This is the shopping. You can watch this video at your own leisure time. Just visit the website and watch the video. So brands pay us for consumers input. That's your own input, your surveys and all that. We recruit members like you. You do online activities like paid surveys, paid videos and TVs, redeem free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping and more. So these are the 3 methods they basically used to pay you guys. So you earn real cash, not points. So real cash, not points. This one don't do with points and you later convert it to cash. They do with real cash and they pay you through your PayPal. So this is a great way to start. So how to earn free cash. So make sure you take your time to read this. These are for the videos in case you're out there and you love to watch videos and all that. You can also earn money by just watching videos. So this is a great way. So you can take paid surveys and all that and shopping and get paid to read emails. So they have other ways, further ways. It's not only 3 as I can see here, they have like up to 6. So start taking advantage of this website. Go through all this and read all of them, and I want you to take action now, because if you don't take action, all my efforts will be in vain. So all this thing I'm showing you guys, make sure after watching this video you take action. So over 49 million in cash rewards paid. So I've paid a lot of people from this website. As you can see, these are their reviews, and I have the 4-star review. This is Trustpilot, as you can see, and it's clicked. So this is Trustpilot, and I've worked with big brands like Netflix to get data surveys from you guys, Target and all that. So Walmart, I've worked with a lot of big brands. So I don't see any reason why you shouldn't join onto this. Simple makes it simple to earn money online. So for those of you guys that have been wondering ways to earn money online, as you can see, this is a great, wonderful website for you to start. So get instant 5 USD sign up bonus. So today you just get 5 USD sign up bonus. So just jump on this and click on sign up, and it will load up your email, your password, confirm your password, and you sign me up. Then you confirm your email. After that, you start getting simple surveys and watching videos and the rest. And like I said in the other one, if you want to get way more surveys and get paid better, just use a strong VPN and switch to United States, United Kingdom, or wherever, the first world countries and the rest. Don't ask me the reason, that's just the way it is. So far, if you have any comments or any question, just leave it on the comment section below. Like, you know me, I always respond to all my comments. That's because I value you guys and I care about you guys, and I hope you guys care about me as well. So that being said, let's move to the third and final website I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So the next website and the final one is called swagbox.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can easily access this wonderful website. So this is similar to the first 2 I've showed you guys, just by completing simple surveys and also making shopping using their own website. You get part of your money back, up to 10% or so. So at your leisure time, just take time and watch this video. They will give you guys a better introduction to what they do. So you can easily sign up with email, password, and you confirm your email, or through Facebook. But I don't advise you to sign up through Facebook. Sign up through your Gmail, or your other email, Outlook, anyone that you use, just use that. So this that have been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, The Penny, Elder, ABC, some big brands basically that have been seen on some big brands, and they pay through PayPal gift card and Walmart gift card and Amazon gift card. So whichever one you have, you can do it. And make sure you stay tuned to this channel. I'm going to be showing you guys videos on how to convert your gift cards to cash and vice versa. So I'll be showing you guys any Bitcoin, the best place to buy your Bitcoin. So whichever the case may be, I'll show you guys. So this is basically how it works. Get free gift cards and cash for everyday things you do online. So by basically doing everything you do online, like shopping and all that, you can get points which you convert. So this is endpoint as well. Shop online, watch entertaining videos, just like the second website I showed you guys. Search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals. to earn points. So just by doing all these basic things that you do every day, you earn points which you convert to cash and you pay out to PayPal or gift cards, whichever one you prefer. So we have our paid membership over, wow, this is huge. This is 400 million. So 400 million USD. This is huge. So this company have been here for a while, so and they're good to go. As you can see from their testimonials, very positive testimonials they're giving out here. So we have given out of 7,000 free gift cards every day. Wow, every day they give out all the 7k. So this is huge. So I don't see any reason why you shouldn't jump on this real quick. So put cash back in your wallet. So you can quickly sign up here, and it's Trustpilot. As you can see, they have 4.3 review. So this website is so good to go. Just two-step verification registration. You just register, and like I said, if you want to be paid better, just use a strong VPN, and obviously we paid better. Now the fake name generator have finally showed us a fake information. This is Karo M Rally. I hope I didn't murder his name. Just pardon me if I did. Actually, it's not a real person, it's just a fake. So what am I saying? So this is the address and this is the zip code. This is the mother middle name. This is the phone number. So all the information you need to register with a fake personality, you can find it here at fakenamegenerator.com. Don't worry, a link will be on the description box below, so you can easily access this wonderful website, guys. So like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Anything you want to do, just give me all those good stuff, just show me love and all that. So that being said, a playlist will pop up on your screen right now showing you guys different methods to earn money online in 2020. Make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can, showing you guys all the benefit and value that you need. Just click on that playlist. And that being said, guys, I will see you on my next video.